Good morning, everybody. This is Wedge. Spent a night at Uncle Johnny's again last night. It was a great stay. We did that 20 yesterday, the backwards 20. I had no real ill effects from it. A little bit of tiny soreness, but that's to be expected after a long day of hiking. But other than that, I actually feel pretty good. This is probably going to piss my wife off, but yesterday when I was walking, I stepped on a rock wrong and kind of weirdly twisted my ankle. There was a weird popping feeling down in my ankle, and then all of a sudden it just started feeling better. So that that part of my ankle that's been giving me trouble seems to kind of fixed itself by twisting my ankle. I'm sure that's the medical way to do that. I'm sure every single doctor will twist your ankle really hard, and that way it'll pop whatever you have in your ankle that's wrong, making it right. So it's funny how things work out sometimes. Don't hate me, Cindy, please. Here we go. Looks like we're walking in a pack today. Got Frederick up front, Boston Found, Hyde right there. Hit myself. Hyde's dad is a father. Hey, Mr. Rosen, thank you for watching. Hyde's doing an excellent job. Say hi, Grandpa.
What's happening? Another day.
We are heading up to the top of Roan Mountain right now. I just almost fell backwards. And this pine forest is unexpected. Usually when you get to the top of mountains, it kind of clears up, and this one is just a mossy pine forest with a lot of ice, but it's so cool. Wedge heading north, blaze on. Come on up. There it is. Here's home for the evening. That's Boston Found. So on the other side is Rhetoric's, and way in the back there is Lane, otherwise known as Hyde. Looks like he's about to fall over. And there's Rhetoric. Hey everybody, it's Wedge. I'm up here at Roan Mountain Shelter. It's a full house up here. Apparently there's a bunch of college spring breakers that are up here, And they've set up so there was no spots in the shelter, and there's not very many tent spots left that aren't just covered in roots or whatever. But there is my tent set up. I had actually set up right there, and then I looked up, and there was a dead tree up there. So I had to move my tent. Rookie mistake. I should have looked up first, but I didn't. Set up my tent, got everything in there, looked up, realized there was a tree that could fall right on it. So you live and you learn, and you're always, if you're not making mistakes, you're not human. But today was a great day. Had about, I think, 5,000 feet of elevation, but the last 1,000 feet were amazing. I took a lot of video of that. Yeah, the pine forest, the mossy pine forest was absolutely incredible. And I'm looking forward to going back down because it looks like it's going to be that same kind of terrain on the way back down for quite a bit. Other than that, I'm looking forward to sleeping in my tent tonight. I've been sheltering it for quite some time, and I do love sleeping in a tent. So there it is. I got a good spot. It's nice, fairly flat and even, and hopefully I'll sleep through the night. This Wedge, to the north. It is on.